In today's Thrive in 5, we are diving into morning pep talks. Discover motivational practices to supercharge your mornings and set the tone for a productive and energized day. You are listening to the Thrive in 5 podcast with Cindy Gordon. This is your daily dose of productivity, motivation, and success strategies. I am here to turn your big dreams into actionable goals, one step at a time. Ready to make the most of the next 5 minutes? Let's dive in. The way you start your morning sets the tone for the entire day. We've talked about that before. But how often do we rush into the day, skipping over the chance to set our mindset, focus, and energy? Today, we are talking about morning pep talks, motivational practices that can transform your mornings and help you tackle your goals with confidence and clarity. The first practice is simple, but powerful. We're talking about affirmations. Starting your day by speaking positive and empowering statements can totally shift your mindset and boost your confidence. Try this. Stand in front of the mirror and say, I am capable, I am focused, I am ready to make today count. It might feel a little awkward at first, but research shows that affirmations can help rewire and reframe your brain for success. Repeat them daily and watch your confidence soar. Another game-changing practice is visualization. Spend 2 to 3 minutes each morning visualizing how you want your day to unfold. Picture yourself handling your challenges with ease, completing your tasks, and feeling accomplished by the evening. This mental rehearsal primes your brain to follow through and aligns your actions with your intentions. Pair these practices with movement to wake up your body and mind. Whether it's a quick yoga stretch, a brief, brisk walk, or even a 5-minute dance break, moving your body releases endorphins and boosts energy levels. It's a fun and effective way to kickstart your day with a little positivity. Lastly, set one clear intention for the day. Ask yourself, what's one thing that I want to accomplish or focus on today? Write it down where you'll see it all day long, whether it's on a sticky note by your computer or a reminder in your phone. This practice keeps you anchored and prevents your day from feeling scattered. Morning pep talks aren't just about motivation. They are about building momentum that carries you throughout your entire day. With affirmations, visualization, movement, and a clear intention, you can start every morning feeling empowered and ready to thrive. That's all for today's Thrive in 5. Your action step for today is to choose one of these practices and try it tomorrow morning. Commit to making it part of your routine for the next week and notice how it transforms your energy and mindset. I hope that these strategies inspire you to make every minute count in 2025. Thanks for tuning in to the Thrive in 5 podcast. If you found value in today's episode, I'd love for you to leave a review. It helps more listeners discover the show. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a dose of productivity, motivation, and success tips. And hey, share this episode with a friend that could use a little extra inspiration. Until next time, keep thriving and remember, you've got this.